We live our lives surrounded by technology. Every day we interact with devices and sensors that are intended to make us more productive by providing information about the world around us. Some can even make recommendations and simple decisions for us based on our preferences. Sounds great in theory, but without a way to sort and bundle all the data flooding in from numerous devices and sensors, we end up being inundated with information, complicating rather than simplifying our lives. With a connected life, you can focus on the information that is most relevant and important to you, and all of these devices can work together to remove complexity and increase your productivity. We are IT Labs, and our mission is to discover, explore, and lead the evolution of IT through research, innovation, and pathfinding. One of our research focus areas, or big, hairy, audacious goals, is My Connected Life, which aims to tie technologies like context-aware, client location, enterprise applications, and wearables together to make something wonderful. We hope to create a mashup of context data, sensor data, your preferences, your location, your destination, and your agenda, and turn this into useful nuggets of information that are actionable. It's 2 to 5 years in the future and it's still forming, but let's take a look into the future and see what a day in My Connected Life could look like. Your alarm goes off 15 minutes earlier than the time you set because heavy rain has caused traffic to slow down on your route to work. Your alarm clock makes the adjustment and lets you know it did so that you're not late. When you arrive at the campus, sensors in the parking lot help you find a parking space. Because of traffic, all the close spots are taken and you have to park far away. This will make you a few minutes late for your first meeting. So, an email is automatically sent to the meeting participants, letting them know you're running behind. You usually work out at the gym before lunch. Your wearable device and sensors in the gym and cafe let you know when the crowds are thin, so you can go for a workout and get lunch without battling crowds or waiting in line. As you're walking back from the cafe, an alert pops up on your device to let you know that a colleague from another Intel site is nearby. You haven't seen her in a while and have some catching up to do on a project. You request and get access to her current location so that you can meet her face-to-face for an impromptu one-on-one. You return from your one-on-one and now it's time to focus. Brainwave technology in your headset lets you know when you're focused versus completely distracted and enables you to use that feedback to get in the zone. On your way out of the office, someone calls out your name from across the lobby. You know that you worked with him on a project a few years ago, but you can't remember his name, what he did on the project team, or even which group he's in. Luckily, face recognition tied into corporate data and augmented reality saves the day by telling you his name, what group he's in, and what his areas of expertise are. In the evening, you're working at home, and body ergonomic sensors can sense when your arm, elbow, or back are fatigued. A user-friendly application recommends that you take a stretch break or go for a walk. As your head hits the pillow, you remember that tomorrow was a late night because of meetings with China. Your calendar also knows this and asks if you want to enact your late-night China profile. You say yes, and your alarm clock is adjusted to let you sleep in, and an email is sent to your group telling them you'll be working odd hours the next day. IT Labs is working to make My Connected Life a reality in the future, combining information from the vast mix of sensors, compute devices, electronics, and enterprise apps into something that makes your work life easier and more productive. We dream that in a few years we'll all be able to find parking more easily, connect with those around us instantly, and plan our day more effectively because of the integrated technology we call My Connected